每个女性呢，她在不同的年龄呢，每天都在失掉一些蛋。那么随着年纪的话呢，它越来越少，到35岁的时候呢，差不多就剩下几万粒；到40岁以上的话，就剩下几千粒而已。
The statistics show that it is easier to conceive before 30 years old. Does this mean the end of the world for couples who got married after 35 years old?
No.
Maybe you have to adapt a good lifestyle, so reduce or stop smoking. So don't drink alcohol, or at least cut down your portions of alcohol. So all these will help you to improve the quality of the eggs and the sperm, even when you are young. Okay, if you are about 35 and you tried already for, say, a year, I think better seek a fertility expert's help. Go for fertility screening first. You need to identify where the problem lies. So 30% of the time it lies with the woman, and another 30% of the time it lies with the men. So you have to see a fertility expert and go for fertility screening. It starts with some blood tests for both husband and wife.
With a high BMI, even if that lady does get pregnant, there's also a risk that during the first trimester, there's a slightly increased risk of having a miscarriage, of losing the pregnancy altogether. What we'll generally ask ladies to do is that you try to be in good health when at the point of you're trying to conceive. Because you being in good health means a well-balanced diet, enough rest, enough sleep, try to minimize stress and things like that.